Hi, I am Jennifer Grow.
My name is
Kenna Marie Murphy. And today we are at the Great Plains Nature Center, Kansas Department of Wildlife, Park, and Tourism.
The Great Plains Nature Center can be found on 232 acres of wildlife. It is housed at the Chisholm Creek Park in Sedgwick County, Wichita, Kansas. There are numerous trails crossing prairies, wetlands, lakes, and wildlife sceneries. This is their indoor wildlife observatory. The exhibits are for free, but they do offer guided tours if you want to have more exploration and discovery of the property.
Hey, lobsters underwater?
Yeah.
What are you carrying in your arm?
The bag of my water bottle.
We got water bottles, and you have your sunglasses too.
Yeah, on my chest.
On your chest.
This is like their gift shop room. In this area, the kids get free books. There are many to choose from, and it covers some of the animals or insects they might find in this local area. They have many interactive stations where you can explore and learn. They even have crafts and events on certain days. Look at their website for details and more information.
Look at this, Kenna. You can't touch these. You can't touch these, but oh my goodness, what's in here? Your favorite thing. You can't touch. They're just showing you what all's out here. Oh yeah? That's kind of neat. A turtle shell? Yep. Where'd you find the deer horn? Right there? Ooh. He hasn't brushed his teeth in a minute. What do you think that is?
Which I don't know.
It looks like it's a good. Have a little sitting area, but if you can look out here, can you see goose? How about geese? So where's the snake? Where's the snake?
Do the snake head.
It's right there. It's a big snake. That's a red-bellied woodpecker. Push another one. You gotta push it. There it is. Eastern screech owl. What other do you got? I bet that's gonna be right there. Push it. You just have to tap it gently. Push it with your finger. It's tired. It went to sleep. Chickadee. Where's it at? I don't see it lit up. Oh, there it is. The cardinal's not lighting up. Do the here. Do this one. There it is. Do a wild turkey.
Wait, I had a thingy.
So now we are outside. That was fun. Got to see all the animals. So now we're gonna go take the hike. You ready?
Hey, you jump on the turkey.
That's a big turkey. I bet you'll find frogs in there. What's in there? Fish? Turtles?
Yeah, right on the entrance, they actually have the free turtle food if she wants to go.
Really?
And they have ice cream. It's like a little ice cream cone, but there's a box. Literally just walking.
So we're going back in to go get free turtle food. Cause Kenna, you want to feed the turtles? Okay. What do you have in your hand?
I
Full of turtle food.
Yeah, you better not eat it.
Okay, going back. Here, let me see some on my hand. Maybe they're not real hungry. Oh, okay. I don't know about you, but it's warm out here. He moves fast, doesn't he? Oh, there he is.
Oh.
He's eating it. Here comes another. Let's see. Okay, give him some more because there's two now. Here it comes. It's coming back. There are some more out there. There he goes. There's one coming. They're eating it. This one here is really hungry. Oh, there's one. He's coming. He's got red on him. There's two there, one there. I think they eat the shell. You can throw that whole ice cream cone in there. You crunch it up and throw it in there. Throw a piece in there and see what they do. Oh, here. Let Emma have a piece. A bigger piece than that. Here, you hold my camera.
Okay.
Do not drop it in the water. Okay, now I'll trade you the camera for the cone, and then let's see if he goes for it. There you go. He's going. He did eat it. Oh, here comes this big turtle coming. He wants a piece of that. Oh, they're gonna fight. Just throw that whole piece in there for this turtle. There he goes. He's gonna get it.
There's a piece of food.
Oh, you threw it too far. He didn't see it. He will get this piece, maybe. Aw. He's looking at you like, Kenna, where'd it go?
Oh, he see it now.
Yeah. Oh no, here comes another turtle. He's gonna get it. He missed out. He took too long.
Maybe he did pass it over.
Oh, he can't get it with his mouth. Oh, they're gonna fight over it.
He has a small mouth. Maybe it did pass it over to me. But I'm still up to.
This one's still eating that one. And this one's eating these little food here. Did he get it? Maybe you should have crunched it up more.
Oh, it's passing it over to us.
Well, you're not gonna get your hands in there. Come on.
You want to eat the...
You wanna do the half a mile one?
Yeah.
So that's the red trail. That one's this one here. So it says you're here.
No,
And we
I
just
want
stay
to
on
do
this?
the blue trail.
The blue trail?
Yeah.
Let me see. So the blue trail, Kenna, when we get to this point, we have to continue and we can cross the water and go this way. This is the blue trail.
Okay, if I made the back room will be here and here.
On the other side of the park.
Yeah, and then there's the eating center right here.
Eating center for picnics.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. It's in the trees. It flew up in the tree, and then there's one right there. there's 2 turtles sitting right there. Now that's just so pretty.
To end this day and start our new trip, we decided to fill our stomachs at Jimmy's Family Diner. The feeling of the old-time atmosphere, their food and their service is excellent. I 100% recommend you stopping in and trying out their food. I'm getting breakfast at dinner time. Cody got the famous cheeseburger and fries. And Miss Kenna got a pile of spaghetti with garlic bread and jello. Good?
Nobody dropped that one.
Mmm. Our next trip, we're going to Andover, Kansas, and I'm going to give you lots of details and interesting facts. Hope you're enjoying so far. Thank you for watching.
Hey Cody, did you know Butler County is the largest county in the state of Kansas?
It is?
It is. Did you know that Butler County is actually larger than the state of Rhode Island?
That's cool.
Did you also know that Butler County houses Andover?
No.
Yep. Guess where we're going to go today?
To Butler County.
Well, we're going to go to Andover,
Which is
in
Butler County.
Butler County.
Oh, I know it! But not in Andover, though.
You didn't know the Andover, just the Butler County?
Yeah.
So we got to currently cool down the car because, Kenna, is it hot in this car?
Yes, it's burning myself in here. It's like the oven.
It's like an oven.
A hot oven.
All right, here we go. You guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
This is where the road ends, and we are now on gravel road. We are still in Andover. We are on gravel.
One of the top 10 things listed to do in Andover is go to the Sante Fe Lake, where they have a trail, and at the end of the trail you can see a waterfall. We made it to the Sante Fe Lake, and it does cost money to park and do the day activities, whether you want to hike or just hang out, do canoeing. You have to bring your own canoes and kayaks. You can have a small motored boat, but no wake boats, and all this does cost money.
Okay, our first stop is a bus. We went to the Sante Fe Lake in Andover. So we was gonna do the South Trail hike towards the waterfall. Well, it's really extremely muddy right now, and they've closed all the trails down, and also the waterfall is not flowing. But here is, you have to go in to purchase a permit before you can park. And there is a guy up at the top. He does search every hour on the hour, and you can get a big fine. So to do 1 day pass just to do hikes was $10. To do bikes, it's $20 for 2 hours. To do camping, that's a big different price. And then if you want to do, like, they've got kayaks and boating adventures, it's like $55.
I want to do that.
Obviously, it's not like actual boats. Non-motorized, you can do canoes and kayaks and stuff. But it's a really cool park. There's lots of stuff you can do here. But what we came here originally to do was the hike, and it's closed. You know, I don't really want to pay $10 just to walk around. I don't want to pay $55 for us to do a canoe or a kayak because we don't have the utensils today. And so we'll come back to this. We'll come back later this year, and if it dries up and the waterfall is flowing. But it is really cool views.
Going back into Andover, about 3 miles from Sante Fe Lake, is the Central Park, which has 80 acres of multiple venues. You can watch concerts. There's 2 golfing courses. Just a lot of things to do. There are some hiking trails. They're actually concreted hiking trails, but you can kind of get out there. So we decided to stop there too.
Capitol, Federal, and Amplifier. Okay, Amphitheater. That's where the concert must be.
Yeah.
And then over here.
As we're driving through Central Park, I'll talk a little bit about Andover. It is located in Butler County, like I stated, and it is the largest county in Kansas. And it is actually larger than the true Rhode Island population. The original name for Andover was Minnehaha, which means laughing water in the Native American. In 1877, the original post office was established in Minnehaha, and then in 1880, they named the city Cloud City, and then renamed it to Andover after Andover, Massachusetts. The first business was the Trading Post, and then the hotel was established in 1881, which also had the general store kind of attached right in front of it. The first school was Richland Schoolhouse. It was established in 1882. They moved it to Meadowlark, which is where it's currently sitting. That cost them $2,000 back then. If you look at today's cost, it would have been almost $60,000 to move that school. It took Andover a long time to grow into a good population. In 1883, they had 150 for the population. In 1957, they finally was incorporated into a third class, which grew to 166. Then, in 1968, they did annex, which grew from 500 to 2,000 people. And in the year 2020, they now have about 15,000 people. With that, it's important to know that their first graduating class was in 1914 with 4 students. One of their most historic events happened during a train robbery in 1898, where somebody actually did pass away. They caught the 2 robbers in Mays, Kansas. Andover has had their fair share of traumatic events, such as tornadoes. In 1991, an EF5 did cause 13 people to lose their lives. Over 4,300 residents were homeless. Over 10 businesses and 2 huge areas were destroyed. And then in 2022, another EF3 hit, and it was lasted on the ground for over 21 minutes. Kevin Smith is a famous actor, and he's from Andover, and Andover is the headquarters for Vornado Air. On the list of the top 10 recommendations in Andover was the Rusted Rooster, so we stopped in to see what this is about. Fun fact, it is recommended that you look at the hours of operation because when we got there, they are closed on Mondays.
I know them would always...
This makes 3 for 3 for a bust. How do you feel about that?
Well,
Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.